Search for under cabinet mounted toaster ovens.
I'm sorry, I could not find any available for purchase.
So we're just looking for what kind of electronics exist right behind this edge here, because we want to drill a couple of holes through the lid right about here and here. We want to make sure we don't hit any electronics, so we're going to avoid this. We're clear on the other side. There's really no electronics here at all, but on this side we just want to make sure that we're going to get those holes like here and here, which would be here and here. So that's all we needed. Now we can put it back together. We're just looking for the electronics on the inside. So we'll put it back together and then prep to drill those 2 pilot holes. So for this project, we'll need a couple L brackets, but these are a little bit too large, and we'll need 4. And I found a few pieces of like leftover, I don't know, hardware from something I installed. So I'm gonna actually take these, bend it in the vise, and make my own version of an L bracket. In many kitchens, especially with countertop upper cabinets like this, there's going to be a recess underneath here. So which means for our little project, we can't really take the toaster and mount it directly to this wall, because then I won't be able to open this door up. It's going to hit. So what we're going to do is put a piece of wood and mount that underneath here, and then mount that to the piece of wood so it'll hang down low enough to get the door open and closed.